We're having fun. I think that's what we need to do. We need to laugh and have fun. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm having fun. And if we have only 40 seconds of usable footage, it will be the most fun, usable 40 seconds of footage that we ever had. Ooh! Hello and welcome to this episode of Lush Reveals. Today we're going to be showing you the brand new Naked shower gels. We're also going to be showing you a brand new Not Wrap book and also the Mid-Autumn Festival range. We have a table. We're going up in life. The table's here to stay. So without further ado, let me show you some stuff. We're bringing back some Naked shower gels. Shower gels in naked form. That means completely plastic free. What a delightful invention that is. So we have brilliance, resilience, take action, and inspired. What? Each of these Naked shower gels, they lather really well, they foam really well. They also are like really quite creamy as well, like they're gorgeous to create like a lovely creamy lather. And then on top of that, the fragrances are top-notch, banging. These shower gels, they fuse fragrance, luxurious foam. Froom's a fun place to go if you've never been. If you are in the UK and you want a quiet little town that's got the hipsterness of Bristol but none of the chaos, go to Froome. It's got lovely farmers markets. Honestly, I am absolutely in love with these colours too. They really pop, they're vibrant. I mean, if you like to shower in the dark, I don't think you're gonna miss these, to be honest, because they're so bright. Do you ever shower in the dark, Lush community? Sometimes I like to shower in the dark. I don't recommend showering in the dark in case you slip. That's actually very dangerous. Maybe we don't shower in the dark. If your shower is above a bath and you shower in the bath, never shower in the dark. Because you will fall into that shower curtain and you will be naked and afraid in the dark. But we digress. The fragrance and the colours are basically there to create the feeling. Brilliance is refreshing and uplifts the mind. Resilience Naked shower gel is grounding and calming. Oh, I like that. It's really fruity, actually. Yeah. Take action is focus sharpening. So, if you're ever in one of those moments where you really need to be focused for the day, I would totally recommend using this one. In fact, I used this one earlier on in the week when I had to get some stuff done at work. I felt focused and sharp on the way into work, which allowed me to kind of set up my day properly. Inspired is zesty and renewing. They lather really well, they're super foamy, and they're also creamy. 10 out of 10, no notes. I really am looking forward to you, Lush community, getting your hands on these Naked shower gels. For the time being, these are only going to be launching in UK and Ireland first. Rest of world, please don't hate me. However, what I would like to say is that, I'll give you a little sneak peek actually, is that upcoming in Christmas, we have 2 Naked shower gels that are going to be part of the Christmas range. And I can't tell you what they are. I reckon you might be able to guess what fragrances they might be. But they're going to be there. Lush community, which Naked shower gel are you most excited for? All of these are like new fragrances. For me, I'm super, super excited to try Resilience because I've tried Take Action and I'd like to try this one. So which one would you like to try? Let me know. Tell me what you think. So, the Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as the Moon Festival, is an annual cultural celebration which is celebrated in East and Southeast Asia. We've actually worked with the Lush team in Greater China to put together a little mini range for you. So this is mooncake. Now this is scented with the delicious, delightful sticky dates. And this makes so much sense because in real life, during the Mid-Autumn Festival, you actually gift mooncakes to your friends and family. So it makes sense that it's, scented with something delicious and delightful. And as well as that, this also has a gorgeous golden shimmer across the entire bath bomb. It looks amazing, it smells gorgeous, and it looks just like the real thing. It just does look like a mooncake. Next up, Snowy Mooncake Bubble Bar. I absolutely, just off initial first impressions, I absolutely love the color of this. It's a real lovely mix of like blue and pink, and it just looks stunning. And there's also like a layer of shimmer over the top. Honestly, looks gorgeous. Now for the fragrance, this has a very minty, refreshing, kind of like spearminty refreshing fragrance. And I absolutely love that because the Mid-Autumn Festival, in case you didn't know, is on at a very hot time of the year. So this makes for a perfect addition for the bathtub when you're looking to cool down and you're looking for some cool bubbles in your bathtub. Ooh, it's fruity. Oh, I like that. Harvest Moon, fruity. Also, I don't know whether you can tell, but it's got just gorgeous amounts of like luster, golden luster in there. It looks absolutely stunning. Looks quite similar, you know, to the mooncake. So one of the amazing super ingredients within this shower gel is the osmanthus oil. Honestly, it's gorgeous. Not only does it smell sweet, delicious, and fruity, but also really, really lovely for your skin. They're going to be launching on these dates. The Lush Guide to Knot Wraps. The Lush Guide to Knot Wrap book is a celebration of all things knot wrap. It's an in-depth look at how we collaborate with artists on new knot wrap designs, where we source our organic and recycled materials from, and offers detailed instructions for how to use knot wraps in a wide array of fun styles. Oh yeah! Readers will be able to follow step-by-step instructions in the how-to chapter and create bags, water bottle holders, and beautifully wrapped gifts, all from a square of fabric. I'm going to have a go at this. I'm going to prove to you, Lush community, that even someone whose knot wrap skills are absolutely atrocious and appalling, and I cannot follow instructions, can actually follow these 7 simple steps to tying a knot wrap. Lay the knot wrap down in front of you in a diamond shape, place the bottles bases together, keeping a small gap between them, lay them down across the corner closest to you. Right, fine. Hold this corner as you roll the bottles along the fabric, tucking it underneath. Finish off by fluffing. I'd say that's wrapped. Also, I absolutely love these illustrations and the artwork. A little shout out to Archie on our global artwork support team, who worked on making this book and bringing it to life, doing the artwork. Nice one. Also, shout out to our wonderful photography team for gorgeous, stunning pictures. Okay, Lush community, I've been told that one was too easy and that I must test myself. Let's have a go at over the shoulder bag. Lay out the knot wrap with the design facing down. Place the item or items you need to carry in the middle. Gather 2 diagonal corners together and lift them high enough to leave space for your arm and shoulder. Oh, I see how this is gonna work. This is clever. Tie another double knot. Yeah, nice and tight. Nice and tight. And that's my over the shoulder bag. Wouldn't get that with a rucksack, would you? Lush community, you've seen it. If I can tie a knot wrap, you can tie a knot wrap. Check out this brand new book, the Lush Guide to Knot Wrap. Okay, Lush community, we have something super, super exciting. Okay, on the 14th of July, we are going to be doing a First Looks Halloween live stream. It's the first opportunity to look at the products, see what we've got coming up for the collection. We've got some amazing guests who are going to talk you through the entire range. We've got a competition, as I said, special guests, and also we have a sneak peek at the October kitchen box. Ta-da! Lush community, we've got some Lush Club exciting news. On the 11th and 12th of July, you can get double points on unpackaged products if you are a Lush Club reward member. There are some exceptions, so check the links in the description or head to the Lush website for more information. So make sure you're signed up to Lush Club rewards and you are a part of Lush Club, because not only do you get good rewards and you get double points, you also get early exclusive access to product launches like the shower gummies. So do you want that early access? Do you want those double points? Do you want those rewards? Join Lush Club. Simple as, isn't it? More points, more rewards, more fun times, more skincare, more moisturized skin. The opportunity is endless, Lush community. Get those double points. It's around for 2 days. Get those double points. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Lush Reveals. I hope you had a lovely time. I hope you loved the Mid-Autumn Festival range. I hope you loved the naked shower gels and how creamy and foamy and good smelling they are. And also hope that you love the knot wrap book and the fact that there's going to be double points and the fact that we're doing a Halloween live stream. This has actually been quite an informative episode. Hope you have a lovely time. Also, let me know in the comments, do you think the table is a good idea? I quite like the table. Should we keep the table? I like the table. Thanks, Lush community.